When we talk about the power of healthy oils, many people are surprised to learn how something so simple and natural can make such a big difference in the body. For older men, one of the most effective yet often overlooked tools for supporting vitality is adding the right kind of oil into the daily routine. Oils such as pumpkin seed oil, extra virgin olive oil, and flaxseed oil are not only packed with nutrients, but also contain compounds that directly support hormone health, circulation, and the function of the prostate. A single tablespoon of these oils before bed can give the body what it needs to restore itself during the night. Pumpkin seed oil, for example, is rich in zinc, a mineral that is essential for healthy testosterone production, and it also contains plant sterols that support the prostate. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, is high in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that keep blood vessels flexible, reduce inflammation, and improve blood flow. Flaxseed oil, on the other hand, provides omega-3 fatty acids that support heart health, reduce stress on the circulatory system, and keep the body in balance. The beauty of oils like these is that they are simple, natural, and easy to include in a routine. You don't need to cook an elaborate meal or make big changes to your diet. Simply taking a spoonful at night allows the body to absorb these nutrients as you rest, when repair and hormone balancing naturally occur. Imagine your body as a machine that works best when it's properly lubricated. Just as a car engine runs smoothly with the right oil, the body thrives when it has the right healthy fats to support its systems. Over time, these oils can help improve not only morning vitality, but also energy levels, mental clarity, and overall well-being. They are gentle on the stomach, easy to take, and bring a sense of comfort that you're doing something good for your body in a very straightforward way. For many men, making this one simple adjustment at night can be the beginning of noticing subtle but meaningful changes in how they feel when they wake up. Vitamins play an essential role in how the body maintains energy, circulation, and overall vitality, especially as men get older. One of the most important is vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. It supports testosterone production, strengthens bones, and helps regulate mood. Many older adults are low in vitamin D because they don't get enough sun exposure, which makes it valuable to include foods like salmon, sardines, and fortified milk in the diet, or even consider a supplement if recommended by a doctor. Another important vitamin is vitamin E, which works as a powerful antioxidant that protects blood vessels from damage and improves circulation. Good circulation is the foundation for strong energy in the morning, and vitamin E can be found in nuts like almonds, seeds, and leafy green vegetables. The B-complex vitamins, such as B6, B12, and folate, also play a major role in keeping energy levels steady. They help the body convert food into fuel, keep the nervous system strong, and support red blood cell production. Without enough of these, fatigue and low energy can creep in, which is why foods like eggs, lean meats, and whole grains are great daily choices. Even something as simple as eating a handful of walnuts or sunflower seeds can give the body a boost of vitamin E, while a breakfast that includes eggs provides B vitamins that set the tone for the day. Vitamins work together like a team, each one supporting different parts of the body, and when they are balanced, the results can be noticeable in how much energy a person feels when they wake up and how steady that energy lasts throughout the day. Taking care to eat colorful fruits and vegetables, a variety of proteins, and healthy fats ensures that the body is nourished from many angles. Over time, this builds a strong foundation where hormones, blood flow, and energy are supported naturally without the need for extreme diets or complicated routines. A consistent supply of vitamins is like giving the body the building blocks it needs to repair, restore, and perform at its best, especially during the night when the body is working quietly to recharge. Evening habits play a much bigger role in morning vitality than many people realize, and the way the body is prepared at night has a direct impact on how it feels the next day. When a heavy meal is eaten late in the evening, the body has to focus on digestion instead of rest and repair, which can leave a person waking up sluggish and without the energy they expect. Choosing a lighter dinner with lean protein, vegetables, and healthy fats allows the digestive system to settle more easily, giving the body room to restore hormone levels and circulation during the night. Another important part of nighttime rituals is calming the mind before sleep. Stress hormones like cortisol can interfere with testosterone and circulation, and if the mind stays busy or worried late into the night, the body has a harder time entering the deep rest that is so essential. Simple practices like reading something light, practicing a few minutes of slow breathing, or listening to calming music can help the body shift into a relaxed state. Gentle stretching before bed is also helpful because it loosens stiff muscles, improves blood flow, and signals the body that it's time to wind down. Even a few minutes of stretching the legs or back can make circulation smoother while sleeping. Keeping a regular sleep routine, such as going to bed and waking up at the same times every day, helps the body create a rhythm that supports hormone production and energy balance. It's not about perfection, but about consistency, because small adjustments made nightly add up over time. Avoiding stimulants like caffeine or alcohol close to bedtime is another simple step that can prevent restless sleep and allow the body to use the night hours for true recovery. When the body gets this kind of care in the evening, it rewards with clearer mornings, stronger energy, and better circulation. These nighttime choices act as a foundation, making it easier for the natural processes of repair and balance to happen during sleep, which is when hormones are restored, tissues are renewed, and the groundwork for a healthy next day is laid down. Movement is one of the simplest and most powerful tools for supporting circulation, and it does not have to mean intense exercise or long hours at the gym. For older men, the goal is not pushing the body to extremes, but keeping blood flowing smoothly and consistently every day. Even a gentle 20-minute walk can encourage better circulation to every part of the body, including the areas that support morning vitality. Walking outdoors has the added benefit of fresh air, and when possible, sunlight, which boosts vitamin D levels and lifts the mood at the same time. Light resistance training, such as using resistance bands or small hand weights, is another excellent option because it strengthens muscles while also improving blood flow. Stronger muscles support better posture, joint stability, and overall endurance. Chair yoga or simple stretching routines can be especially useful for those with limited mobility because they allow flexibility and circulation to improve without putting too much strain on the body. The act of moving regularly also helps the heart pump more efficiently, which directly affects how oxygen and nutrients are delivered throughout the system. This steady delivery is what supports stronger mornings and more energy throughout the day. Movement also plays a key role in maintaining healthy weight, which reduces pressure on the circulatory system and supports balanced hormones. For men who have been less active, starting small is the best approach, because even short periods of activity add up and create noticeable benefits over time. Simple things like gardening, walking up and down the hallway, or standing and stretching during television breaks all contribute to circulation and health. These movements may seem minor, but they keep blood vessels flexible, muscles engaged, and the body more responsive. Making physical activity a natural part of the day, rather than a chore, builds consistency and ensures the body is getting what it needs regularly. Over time, this daily commitment to gentle, steady movement becomes one of the strongest supports for energy, vitality, and overall well-being, creating a foundation that helps men feel stronger, more capable, and ready to embrace each new day with confidence. The connection between the mind and body becomes even more important with age, and the way a person thinks and feels has a real effect on physical health. Stress, for example, raises cortisol, a hormone that can interfere with testosterone and circulation if it stays elevated for too long. This is why practices that reduce stress are so valuable. Simple activities like deep breathing, prayer, meditation, or even spending quiet moments in nature can lower stress levels and give the body space to restore balance. Gratitude is another powerful tool that often gets overlooked. Taking a few minutes each day to reflect on the good things in life, whether it's family, health, or even small daily joys, helps shift the mind into a more positive state. Studies show that this kind of outlook supports not only mental health, but also physical well-being. A hopeful, optimistic attitude can make the body more resilient, improve sleep quality, and encourage hormone balance. Social connections also play a role in the mind-body link. Spending time with friends, family, or community groups keeps the spirit engaged and reduces feelings of loneliness, which can otherwise contribute to declining health. Laughter, conversation, and companionship all release feel-good chemicals in the brain that reduce stress and support circulation. Another aspect of the mind-body connection is staying mentally active. Reading, solving puzzles, or learning something new challenges the brain, keeps it sharp, and helps maintain confidence. When the mind feels alive, the body often follows. Even spiritual practices or hobbies that bring peace can be grounding forces that strengthen overall vitality. Small choices made daily, like pausing to breathe deeply, taking a walk outdoors, or sharing time with loved ones, can create a steady environment where the body is encouraged to heal, balance, and perform better. The positive signals the mind sends influence how the body responds, and this harmony becomes a key ingredient in maintaining morning energy, strength, and a sense of control over health. By caring for thoughts and emotions as much as for diet and exercise, men can create an internal environment where healthy aging feels natural and empowering.